Hello and welcome to Yam Yam Reviews. We got the Ninja Slushi. We've also got a new Facebook page, Ninja Slushi Alcoholic Drinks UK. If you've joined that, how you doing? We're also in partnership with Pub Shed Radio. So get on that. More details about Pub Shed Radio coming in other videos. But I'm presuming a lot of you already know it. But let's get back to the Ninja Slushi. So I ordered this at 11:30 AM yesterday morning, and it was delivered at 10 AM this morning. So less than 24 hours delivery, which I think is brilliant. Good luck getting one. I've been in a queue for a few weeks, and literally had the email come through yesterday saying they got some in stock. Click buy now, got one, and within minutes they'd gone again. There was all out of stock. But here it is, the Ninja Slushi. Let's move some crap out of the way. I'll tell you what, it's bloody heavy. There you go. You need some strength with that. Just get that over here. And we're just going to do an unboxing. This will be the first time of me actually seeing one. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. All I've done, it came with two bands on. I've just cut them off, and yeah, we're going to have a look at what you get. So it does open by lifting the top off. There we go. So it is that side of the box. So you can't really use the box for anything unless you have it that way. Down there, isn't it? That's better. So what do you get? You get all your manuals, quick start guide. You've got frozen drink tips and tricks there. You've got full manual there. There's loads of different recipes in there and how to clean it, stuff like that. I will be having a good read through this anyway before I make anything. Then you've got some safety instructions there, so you get that there for a second. And let's have a look. So, drip tray, UK plug. I did watch a video, a guy bought one, he'd imported it from the United States, and he just couldn't get it to run, couldn't figure out why. In America they run on 110, something like that, we 230. But his main problem was these run at 50 Hz and the American ones run at 60. So if you do see one, make sure it is a UK version and not an American version. Nothing else in that, is it? Tell you what, it's well packaged. Get that in there. Here you go. Here we go. I'm going to knock the beer over. Get it in there for a bit. And there it is. Look at that. Let's just get it in there. Look at that. Let's go to the bottom box. I'm going to just lift it. Very heavy. Very heavy. There we go. So, here we go. Let's dive down. So there's a lot of information on it. Fill port, that's where you pour all your drinks in there. Lever, everything's taped up at the minute. I'll have a good look at the instructions before I start messing about and chucking drinks in it. So it's quite an heavy one. Yeah, look at that. A lot of drinks had through this. Also you've got your drip tray. That just clicks on the front there, like that. There's also on the side, if you're not using a drip tray, you can just hook that on there for safekeeping. It's got 2.5 litre capacity. Take some of this tape off. 2.5 litre capacity tank, which is nice. So yeah, I don't know if that comes up. There we go. That comes off. So that's your tank there. That's what you're filling in there, like that. You've got your auger. So all these, give all these a good clean before it gets set up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure all the tape's off. But some of the drinks we're going to try, we've got Dr Pepper's, Vimto, Coke, Blue Wickeds. We're going to be doing some rums, vodkas. So keep an eye out for the videos coming. And yeah, see you in another video. This is the Ninja Slushi Maker. Oops.